This song beginning with intro, start with C, goes like this. A minor, back to C, A minor. Okay, so the strumming, I keep it simple. All I do is like down strum like this. Okay, so practice that first. We're gonna use that strumming all the way through this song. Now is first start with C. The song goes like this. I will never know if you, A minor, love me, to see all my company, A minor, but I don't mind to F, cause I'm tryna be the one through this G 1,000 times. To F, I don't need to take your heart, you keep yours. To G, I'll keep mine. Okay, next is second verse. Is the same chord progression again. Start with C, goes like this. All I really know is when I'm A minor lonely, I hate that I'm C lonely, A minor, and thus I let you in to F, and maybe in another life we fight all day, G, kiss all night, but I don't wanna F, break your heart, keep yours, G, I'll keep mine. Next is pre-chorus. Pre-chorus start with F, goes like this. I know, F minor, we know better, so we both better go. Yeah, and then to chorus, I see, don't need a A minor reason. To F, to keep on dreaming, and then F minor, that we don't lose, yeah, what to use. To C, I don't need A minor, a reason. To F, to keep on dreaming, oh, F minor, that we can win at anything I see alone. Back to intro, A minor, C, A minor. So that's it. So because this song made of intro, verse, chorus, and pre-chorus. So once you know that, the rest of the song, I think you can figure out how to play it. So for the full lyric and chords, you can find it on the description below. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any requests, please write down on the comment and I will do my best to respond. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next lesson.